Hi guys, 2018 Sienna. We're gonna replace the cabin filter in this car. So the cabin filter is actually located right behind the glove box. So what we want to do, open the glove box. There's two tabs you have to push in. One on the side and the other one over here. And also there's this little thing over here. You just want to press tab together and get this guy out like this. Okay, so after that we're gonna push. So what I like to do, I like to push it back just a bit, use my leg, and then you want to push this tab inside. It's gonna be a little tight. Push it this way and then push it this way too. Same thing on this side. Tap right here and then it's out. So I like to use my leg just to hold it so nothing falls out. And we're gonna deal with this guy here, right here. So what you want to do, this tab, push it in and then pull out. Once this is loosened, then there's another one over there. Same thing. Push it in, pull out. Once this guy is loose, you can cover it up. It's right here. Okay. Goes up like this. So basically you're just pushing these two tabs. So the locking mechanism will get released. And over here too. So then this cabin filter says up, right? So when we put in the new one, we have to put in the same way. So yes, this cabin filter is due for a change for a long time. Okay, let's grab the new part and I'll come back. So the cabin filter I'm replacing is this Denso. I believe this is a part number or this is a part number. I'm not sure, but then yeah, we're just gonna, the airflow goes up, the airflow goes up. Okay, we're just gonna install it. So we put the new cabin filter inside over here. Okay, make sure it's in. And then we grab this guy. So there's two tabs here, where this one will need to be inside the lip here. See, 1 and 2. So we're just gonna have to line it up, and then we push on the tab on the side. Yeah, and that's it. That's the installation. After that, you reinstall the glove box. There's two notch here, 1 and 2. It goes in. Okay, so after we install the cabin filter, we need to reinstall the glove box. So on the glove box, there's two notch. There's the opening over here, right? So this opening goes into here. But to install it, you need to put the glove box at an angle like this, where everything almost is falling out, and then you push it in. You'll feel it when they push in, when this is in. And then you can put this guy up, reconnect this one over here, reconnect it, push in the hole, and then you push it back. And then make sure the operation is okay. And yeah, then you replace the cabin filter. If you have any more 2018 or newer Sienna maintenance wise, you can always go to my channel.